Hello guys, thank you for joining us in this particular Vue project course where I'll be showing you how to create a web application using Vue.js, TypeScript, Vue Router, and other things alike. So let's get started. We'll also be using Pinia for state management. Now this is how the website looks. When you navigate, you go, you see things, and so on. So to get started, let's get started by first you run npm create vue at latest and you get the project running. So it will give you a prompt for you to select, to choose this. So you do yes for TypeScript, yes for JSX support, yes for Vue Router, and yes for Pinia. And after that, that will be all. So you just omit the rest. And once you've done up to that point, you cd into that is change directory into your project, your current project folder. It might call you anything you want. For us, we'll be using any movie, and you do npm install to have your node modules available so that everything we've added will be accessible and useful. So after that, you do npm run dev. That's where we pick up from now. And once we have that running, we can come here to rename this. I don't remove everything you've seen and remove everything from this place. This will come a bit different. And you also remove the styles so that we had as later. You can also remove everything you see here. The about, you delete it because we create as even the home, you can delete it. So now in the views, let's create the home view dot view, and in the same folder, the same views folder, let's create the explore. This explore dot view, explore view. Okay, let's make it consistent since we are using view for views. So that's basically that. So we start with script. Let's use script setup here. But most importantly, we also have to add the language to the TypeScript, TS for TypeScript. For now, let's leave it at that. Then the template. So now let's start with H1 just to be sure everything's working fine. Movies, explore. Explore movies, whichever way you want to see it. Explore movies. Then also, okay. And lastly, we're using SFC single file components. So we have style here. Now let's leave everything blank so that we can come back and add more. We can copy this to this and change this to any movies. But that's the app name, so let it be in the home page. So in the router, you want to change everything you have here to something like home view. I think we still have the home view, so I want to change this to let's copy this, then paste it. Okay, so we change this from home view to, let's say, explore. These are the two, explore explore components, explore view. So that's the name. We can omit the explore view from we exported. Okay. So once we have that, we can do this views, then the explore view, which should be available. Another way is you could use arrow function to import it here, but we can just make do with what we have here instead of using the arrow function. Still the same thing, it will work fine. So this for the home, this is the movies. I want to change this to movies, so movies. That's the name we'll see for the explore view. So let's go to, I think that's that. Then the home, here we can come to create our script here. Let's add everything we need. So basically, let's route have, let's have something like this for the header. I think we currently have an header here this way. Yeah. So let's add two of this. Let's have two routes, router link of movies lens and explore. While this explore is targeting movies, the movies lens is targeting this. Okay. So if we preview now, let's see what we'll get. Let's preview. Oh, our server is down. So let's start it. Server is down. Sorry. That's not the project. So let's go back to kill this and start with, I started the wrong project. So this we should have, okay. Everything should be fine now. And now this is what it looks like. So we go back and do the necessary adjustments. That would be the job of the CSS. So to be very quick with this, I'm going to just copy some CSS files and I'll explain along as we move on. So let's copy the header CSS file and just paste. If you're conversant with it, you use it. And another thing you could just do for you to be fast is you could also use front-end UI libraries or frameworks like Bootstrap, Tailwind, and the rest. So having done this, if we go back to this, you see how it looks. That's straightforward. So let's try to see if we navigate, whether if we navigate to get to where we hope to. Okay, it's working fine without any error. All right. So now because of this video is supposed to be a very short one, so being able to show you how to create routes in this. Yeah. So in the next particular video, you see how to add components, how to break down, split your components into smaller modules where you can reuse them, because that's what we'll be doing much in this video. and the rest. So thank you very much for joining. See you in the next video.